Hi, this is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets here in the Scanner Forum. I wanted to showcase what we're doing on a daily basis. This is happening day in and day out from multiple traders. Some of them are trading very well right away, and others are up and coming. We're very excited about the progress everybody's making. I want to showcase here first Pohai, who finished the day out with 102 pip net for the day. Very excited, very on fire, pleased with what he's done there. Then we go to John. John posted on the forum that he had taken in the pound Swiss 215 pips in one trading session. Not uncommon for John. Monica did a total of 40 pips here, with 23 in the pound New Zealand and 17 in the pound dollar. Here's some more from John. 55 pips in the pound dollar and 120 pips in the pound CAD. 99 pips in the pound Aussie. Here I took a quick 14 pips out of the pound CAD while I was watching the pound Aussie. Kirk took 32 pips out of the pound Aussie while managing the pip club. Pretty tough job he's got there. Here I was able to take 122 pips out of the pound Aussie. So after the negative that I sustained at the beginning of 18 pips, this was 102 pip profit for the day. And then Ken did 111 pips here on the pound New Zealand, going short during that same session with me. Some more trades that were being done by John and Ken here in the Brexit news. John did 70 pips there, 60 pips there, 94 pips in this one. And then there was the 111 that Ken did earlier, and then an additional 75 for a total of 187 for the day. Just a few of the things that are happening in the sessions that we have. We have them in the U.S. session, the European session, and Asian session. We have traders that are in this forum working together all the time. This is just some of the stuff that's happening on an individual and a group basis. Our community is here to help you succeed. We are here to help each other grow and expand and build our trading accounts. We are a family. We work together. We're excited. We invite you to come take advantage of this. Come trade alongside us, work with us, learn with us, grow with us. This is Jed with Forex Strategy Secrets, signing off.